Hello everyone. Today I am back with another video of the English grammar series. I am Daksha and we are back here with the punctuation marks third part. But before starting our today's video, I would like to say that if you want any tutorials for class 11 12th commerce, GSC, BSc, BSc and ICSC board, BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA and many other courses, then you can feel free to contact us on this number right here. If you haven't watched the first and the second part of the punctuation marks, then go and check that out first. I will leave the link for the both parts in the description down below. So, as I said, today we are going to do the exercise and you will have to give yourself 3 marks for each right answer to the given questions. I will show you the questions first and then I will show you the answers. So pause the video after I show you one question, then write its answer, then do the rest with the rest of the questions. And also check them when I show you the answers to those questions. So here is the first paragraph. Who is the angel? Asked the child who brings such beautiful presents for the children. His name is Santa Claus, replied the mother. In the night before Christmas, when everybody is asleep, he comes down from the heaven with presents for good children only. So here is a question. So there are 2 or 3 sentences in this question, and you will have to put full stop according to your intelligence. You have to put capital letters, full stops, commas, and all the other punctuation marks that I showed you earlier. Here is the second question. If a man is kind, he cannot be killed. Even if you kill him, he will remain in the heart of the people. Fortune favors the brave who fight for the humanity. If you are brave and you fight for the humanity, God will bless you. So, as you saw me reading this both paragraphs, I spoke them very fast because there is no full stop or comma here. So after you put the full stop and comma, then you can add a blank space when you are speaking or reading them. This is the third paragraph. This is just a line. His bad habits are smoking, drinking, gossiping, roaming us outside till the dead of night. Then here's the fourth paragraph. Although you have itching ears, being a man of words, you have to lend your ears to those who are apple of your eyes, even though you are, however, not telling a cock and bull story and you have to face the music. Fifth paragraph. He, as a soldier, will never show fight feather to his enemies while fighting his battle of life, as he always avoids dry facts. If you play ducks and drakes with his sentiment, you will have to face the horrible consequences. Here is the sixth paragraph. Being extremely hot in the desert, the hen-hearted cannot survive in such environment. It is, however, very difficult to adjust. Now the seventh and the final paragraph. Please, however, reconsider your decision if you want everybody to support you. Being a member of jury should remain attentive. So, as you see here, a full stop is given and the capitalized P is also given here. So, you will have to add just some little changes. Now, the answers are going to begin. So, if you have not completed the answers in your notebook yet, then go back and write the answers in your notebook first. First answer. Inverted comma. Who is the angel? Question mark, inverted comma, close. Asked the child, comma, inverted comma. Who brings such beautiful presents for the children? Question mark, inverted comma. His name is Santa Claus, comma, inverted comma, close. Replied the mother. In the night before the Christmas, comma, inverted comma. When everybody is asleep, comma, he comes down from the heaven with presents for good children only. Full stop, inverted comma, close. So I spoke many of the punctuations, but yet I did not speak these capitalized letters as there are so many capitalized letters, so you have to check them by yourself. Now I will not be reading the rest of the paragraphs, and you will have to check them by yourself. Second answer. I will wait only a little time so you can pause the video right here and check them out by yourself. Third answer. Fourth answer. Fifth answer. Sixth answer. Seventh and the final answer. So our video ends right here. Today was just the exercise. So please like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notifications after subscribing to be notified about all our future video uploads. And before you leave, I would again like to say that if you want me to make any tutorials on the grammar topics that I have not covered, then paste those topics into the comment suggestions so I can make those topics for you. So, till the next video, goodbye.